Tidium. Maximum element after decreasing rearrangement. Maximum element after decreasing. Given an array of positive integer ARR and perform some operations possible on array so satisfies conditions. Value of first element array must be 1 and absolute difference between any two adjacent element must be less than or equals to 1. In other words, array of I minus array of I minus 1 should be less than 1 for each rearrange them in any order. Maximum element after decreasing and rearrangement. Where the heck did 1, 2, 3 came in? Decrease the value of second element to 2 and increase the value of third element as 3. Now ARR 1, 2, 3 which satisfies conditions. The largest element is 3. How did they convert this 1001 and 1000 again back to 1 to 3? Like I can't understand. One possible way to satisfy the condition is by doing the following. Rearrange ARR so it becomes so my shortest value should be coming in the front, I guess. But how did one come here? The fuck is this? Okay, they have given us condition like one should be the starting element. The value of first element in array must be 1. So this is mandatory. And the absolute difference between two adjacent elements must be less than or equals to 1. And in other words, absolute of ARR of I minus this is. If this is true, then we are going to skip that index, and otherwise we are going to swap it with other number. Something smaller than it. How are you going to approach this problem right now? Yeah, I can't even understand the way they converted this thing. Literally, we have 1001 and 1000 again. Like how 3 is coming right in the output. One possible way of satisfy the condition is by doing the following. Rearrange so it becomes 1. It is going to be this. Sorry, that is going to be 1. This one. And we have only 2000 again. Right? And decrease the value of second element to 2. How they are decreasing this to 2? If we are trying to find the largest element, which is going to be my 3's out of all elements. But I'm not able to understand like why did they convert this thing? Like how are they even converting this thing to an normal one digit number, which is going to be like 1 2. But we had a big number here, like 1000 here and 1000 here. So if number is too big, am I supposed to convert the number back to? There can be that chance since they have given us 10 to the power of 5, which is going to be the bigger number, and 10 to the power of minus is a bigger number. I don't think that. Okay, I understood the question. I just let me try. First thing is like first element must be 1, and if first element minus second element, um, should be this thing, not if, should be this thing if nothing works, then convert them to normal. One will be present every time, I guess. If one is not there, then we can't do anything. One should be present. So either we have to convert 2, 3, and 4, whatever number. Even 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will not give me the right answer. Yeah, it can give since it is in order. Like if I subtract 2 with 1, I'm going to get 1. If I subtract 2 with 3, I get 1 again. Subtract 3 to 4, 1 again. Subtract 5 with 4, 1 again. Subtract 6, 5 with 6, 1 again. I think for that part it is working. Now I need to write the logic. Let me take a flag like if array of sorry, first minus second. If this is true, then they did the. I mean, they given us the blue like we need to sort the array. If I sort my array, then I will get the top element at first, I guess. Sorry, I mean the lowest element, which is going to be my one. What if my element does not start with one? Like, I have to return plus one. I have to swap my values. Yo, code, what's up? What's up, Wrench? Man, I can't even understand the question like this. Wait a minute. Did he really convert this two zeros to two, and since he had three digits, converted this to into three? I'm not 7 feet. 160. 165 or something. I don't know. I am 5'4" or 5'5" something. How much is 5'5"? Yeah, I'm this much. Yeah, I'm kind of this tall. Oh shit, Genshin Impact. If the number is not first check is like I have to check if my number starts with which is going to start if it is there since we have sorted everything. Now the only problem is like if after subtracting if you're not getting the output like this, either this condition, then I think we need to check for the elements and remove the I mean instead of if you have two zeros then it is going to be two, and if you have three zeros it is going to be three or something. It's telling like rearrange the ARRs so it becomes one. So this is like sorting right now. After that, he told me like decrease the value of second element to 2 and decrease the value of third element to 3. So now we have 1, 2, 3, where like this every condition is getting satisfied, and after that we're going to have the 3 as the maximum number. This question is fucking bullshit. 411. I think 411 is how much is 411? 59 inches. No, 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 no. This is 411. Oh, I can solidly come up to here, bro. I can reach till here. I can't go beyond his neck. Oh, 611 is supposed to be this tall. Bro, what the hell is this question, bro? If the numbers are not satisfying, then I have to convert them to a different number. Or maybe depending upon the number of zeros, I need to convert them to a number. So what the hell is this? Uh, this for this one I can understand like what could be the possible reason, but even for this thing like I can understand since they have given me the value like in one digit, but here I'm getting like double and triple digits, so I'm getting confused right now. Hmm. Okay, to be honest, I can't understand this. I'm not going to waste my time. Can you explain this thing? Like, don't give answer. I can't understand this. Is he talking about the number of zeros you have? Then you're going to convert them back to some different number right now. The problem is building like a staircase using blocks, and will follow 3 rules. Wow, we increase 1 rule. Maximize the rise as you move from left to right. Then the number never become more than one, and number can't jump to 2 or more. Shrink rule. You are allowed to decrease number to smaller positive number, but you never make a number bigger than its original number. So he's basically saying like I can convert to a smaller number, but I can't convert them to. How the hell this is getting calculated? Let me see. To build a smooth staircase, you should always arrange your numbers from smallest to largest. It's just like he's telling about sorting right now, and check the first number, which is going to be my 1. If it is not 1, then what could I do? And check the second number. A previous number is 1, so according to the rule, next number can be most higher than previous number, which is going to be 1 plus 1 2. And the original number is 3, so original number is 100. You can't keep 100 because jump from 1 to 100 is too big. So using 3 shrink. So my current array is now 1, 2, and if I add 2 plus 1, which is going to be 3. If the difference between two numbers are pretty bigger, then what I have to do is like I have to uh, add my first number with the first number itself and get whatever possible values there, and then after that I'm going to um, how do I say that thing? So difference is pretty bigger. Nice one, bro. Nice one. The highest donation is like 2 rupees from what is his name, bro? SG. If my absolute difference between the if my absolute difference between the okay. So second will be like first plus second. Sorry, first plus first. Will this work really? I mean, like after after doing all the operations, I need to get the maximum, right? Or should I keep the run? You know what? I got his number. I got his number. The real reason was to get his number. When he paid me through the UPI or FAMPay something, then I got his number. I will put on the Discord, man. We can troll him. He's not on the stream right now. I will just activate some sort of what do you call that thing? We have third-party services like for the for annoying someone using the SMS and call bomb or something. I will do that thing. If my else safe, if it is greater than one, then what I have to do is like I have to take my second value and I'm going to. What will happen if I do this thing again? And after doing everything, I need to get the maximum, right? Will this thing get me the maximum? I don't think. Like after operations, we need to get the maximum. If it is there, then we are going to continue, and I don't think we need a flag here. After doing the second one, I'm going to get the maximum at the outer part. If I return my maximum now, this shouldn't work, but I'm just curious. Like, oh fuck, it worked. Are you for real, bro? Okay, the only twist was this thing. Like, I need to look for the answer. Like, how can I find the answer for this thing? If my first minus second is, where the fuck is that? If my first minus second is greater than one, then we need to do something. Then my second will become first plus first. Did the sum? I did the sum, but it didn't get stored or what? How do I store back the value? Then, like, will this thing not work? Is this because of I'm using some sort of variables to do this thing? Or do I have to directly mention the indices of the thing? Math of absolute of first minus second is greater than 1, then I'm going to do something which is going to be changing my number back. Which is going to be like if first number is 1, then I'm going to add 1 for that thing and store it back there inside the second. Or should I do my second minus first? I don't know, maybe because of this thing. Okay, my logic ain't working, like it's not able to manipulate the value. Wait a minute. Can't I directly store like this? Yo, my changing part is not working here. Like, what the fuck? Okay, instead of getting all this fucking thing, like, I can do only. I think cleanup is done, but I need to check why this thing is not working. Like, math of absolute of second minus first is greater than 1. What the hell? Oh, so you're saying like I can't think just because I was storing like this, I'm not able to get the value. So there is no use of storing it in variable and replacing number. So this is what I did here. It's again minus first or second doesn't matter. Since my second is going to be the biggest number. Yeah, second is going to be the biggest number. So and instead of doing this, I need to take the value directly. So instead of storing them, we can directly take the value, etc. Oops, I was thinking like if I replace this the value will get replaced. Wow, I was wrong. Nice one. Now current element will. Why do I even need here, bro? The fuck? I already have it here. Let's just into plus one. Sorted, everything is fine now. Um, mm, this is not needed since we already did it. Yeah, if it is sorted, then we can return the maximum value directly, I guess. I do this thing like. Oh, I was overdoing the question, bro. Hereafter, I don't need to store it somewhere instead of storing it. And let me run first. Do I really need to store this shit, bro? And this is not even Leetcode. What the fuck are you? This is what I was trying to do, but instead of directly using the value, I was using the variables. Sheesh. Now give me some TLE, yeah? I was waiting for that thing. Why did we get this thing? Oh, we're getting 11 here. Ooh, my god. Now I understand why he was hard coding the first value as 1. Should we really hard code them as 1? Crazy. Oh, crazy. How to do with the variable then? No, I want to do with the variable. Can you do with the variable? Oh, he did something crazy. This is even more shorter than the analysis. Sorted the array and took the maximum possible and out. They ran through that thing. Like number is greater than this possible. How the hell will this thing work? Like, come on now. The number is going to be bigger for everything. Conditions at least 94% is wow. So this was compulsory. So I need to make sure that something is given like this. Then I have to hard code it somewhere. Hereafter, I'm going to make sure that I'm going to hard code the value. If I didn't hard code that value, I could have start debugging it for more than 1 hour for that. Since we already have the zeroth value, so we don't need to iterate from there. We are iterating from one. Since zeroth value is going to be one, you know that one, and one index is going to be the second element. Pretty nice solution, I guess. This is what we did, right? He took something minimum bullshit, but I didn't take it. Why is the substitute of that thing? Okay, fuck this. What? How will you even name the indices? How are they taking the indices, man? Your given string is an integer array indices and of same length and the string is shuffled such that the character ith position move to the indices of I in the shuffled string. Wait a minute, I couldn't understand. Position ith position moves to the indices I in the shuffled string. Ith position moves to the indices of ith position. Imagine if my current position is L and 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 is not O, 5 is L. And over the L in the 0th index, how are you calculating this thing? Oh, okay. Now I get it. Can we just take an object and map them and return the value in sorted fashion? Not sorted fashion. Or maybe sorted fashion. Or can I? Should I run on my indices? Maybe I'll first run on my indices first. Hmm. First, let me print and see. Oh, it says something is wrong. Yeah, we got the output, I guess. Didn't we? Didn't we get the output? For every current index of that thing, we are going to store back the value, which is going to be the answer itself. And I think this is okay. GG, yeah. What the freak is this, bro? I can't understand the question right now. Oh my god, graph. Vertically by one unit. Vertical is in topwards, right? So it would be y direction. X is supposed to be horizontal. The fuck is horizontal? Okay. Okay, my horizontal is supposed to be this and vertical is supposed to be this. So he's saying like in 1 second you can either move vertically by 1 unit, horizontally by 1 unit, or move diagonally square root of units. In other words, move 1 unit vertically, then one unit. What the fuck is this? Third one is like a little bit confusing, and you have to visit all the points in the same order they appear in the array. Wait. This one. Hey, let me see. You are allowed to pass through the points appear later in the order, but these do not count as results. The freak. I can either move vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. Yo, what's up? SG, what's up? You can move according to these rules. In 1 second, you can either move vertically. So vertically is supposed to be like this, and vertical is supposed to be going straight, right? Like this this looks like a diagonal movement, I guess. What the fuck is this? Is it really covering all the positions right now? Like, let me see. 1 comma 1, okay, 2 comma 2. It will do 2 comma 2. Optimal path is 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma. So this is diagonal, I guess. 1 comma 2. 2 comma 2 is not even 3 comma 3. Okay, it's not even on the 3 right now. It's on 4. 3 comma 4. 3 comma 4 I think. And what the hell is this? So all this graph was not fucking shit, bro. I can't even understand it. Points are given like 1 comma 1, 3 comma 4, and 1 minus 1, 0. And from where he's starting again. Uh, no. What is this? What is this? What is this? Total time is 7 seconds. What the fuck are you saying, bro? My daughter said, by the way, I'm sister. Why would I be sad? And replying the message of mine. I neither have ex nor girlfriend. If I meet her, then it's different matter, but I'm single. What the fuck are you writing, man? What the fuck are you writing, bro? SJ, are you high or what? I'm gonna not waste my time on graph question. What is graph? Damn this, what is this? Nah, I'm lazy. I'm lazy to do that. You're not even liking my stream, bro. How to do this? How to do it? How? One optimal path is one comma one two comma two. How the fuck will it lead me to? I can't open right now. Optimal path is one comma three comma three comma four. This is one two, three, what the fuck is this? I can't understand it. I got two chats on stream, one over question. What the fuck? What the fuck I say? I can't understand. I think you are high right now. So is this something related to graph or something, bro? What the fuck is this? Geometry. I haven't revised geometry. Wait a minute, I can't understand, but I'm going to analyze this thing and see if I can understand. Bullshit question. Bumbust. Are you Bumblebee? Nah, bro. Nah, I am the fucking dumbest. Go to hell. Go to hell, bro. Go to hell. It's just lying. It's just lying, bro. He's like grandmaster. Yo, can someone explain me this one, bro? Here. Can you explain the question alone? If I'm able to do, I can just see once. I can't understand the question, bro. Yeah, SG, explain. Yeah. Explain, explain. Oh, this question does not have a question now. This is assessment. The first one was pretty easier, I guess. But after seeing this graph, my brain is not working. But where the fuck are you, man? Yeah, bro is flexing right now. Yo, your name is Kushwaha, man. Your name is Kushwaha. Like, are you relation of Kunal Kushwaha? Like, let me tag you. Nah, bro, you're lying to me, bro. You're not the dumbest. I'm the dumbest. Yo, where the fuck is SG, bro? SG, what the hell are you doing, bro? Just explain faster. Oh, okay. But I think your family name and his family name matches. Even he's Kunal Kushwaha and you are like Shrestha Kushwaha, right? Sorry if I spell it wrong. Do you want to join my Discord, Kushwaha? Maybe I will call you. I'll call you Shresh. Instead of Shresh, I'm going to call you Shresh. Not Suresh, but Shresh. Bro, what the fuck are you doing, man? Like, come on, man. You said it is easier question. Just explain it faster. Explain the question alone. Yo, SG, do you know or not? Yo, please, someone explain me this question, bro. Wow, you made him a female. You made him a female. श्रेष्ठा श्रेया ही बुला ले भाई तू श्रेया ही बुला ले उसको क्या कर रहा भाई थोड़ा बड़ा कर ले भाई दिख ही नहीं रहा मैं अंधा हूँ भाई चश्मा पहन के भी नहीं दिख रहा मेरे को तो थोड़ा बड़ा कर दे डायरेक्शनल मूवमेंट ये प्रॉब्लम एट व्हाट द फक एट डायरेक्शन क्वीन वाला जैसा मेरे को क्वीन वाला आता ही नहीं है चेस वाला कर लेता था आई थिंक अरे साला इसको बड़ा करना ओ इवन आई कैन डू नो आई डोंट नो ब्रो आई डोंट नो तुमने 4 मैसेज क्या भेज दिया? मैं खोलूंगा इन स्ट्रीम पे। अच्छा ये कौन है यार? अरे भाई क्या आ रहा है ये? मरवाएगा मेरे को ये। अरे भाई साहब, ओ भाई ये क्या, व्हाट द फक? भाई तू सॉल्यूशन सॉल्यूशन बता भाई, तू सॉल्यूशन पूरा बता, पूरा सॉल्यूशन बता। गिव मी फुल सॉल्यूशन। I'm not going to solve this, I'm going to learn this pattern. First time seeing this shit. Yeah, injustice, I only understand that shit. पूरा क्लीन अप, पूरा क्लीन अप कर दो। बताओ भाई बताओ। क्या है, पढ़ा कर दे। मतलब एक फॉर्मूला है जिसके ऊपर ये क्वेश्चन डिपेंड है। ओ कुछ तो कर रहा है ये, कुछ तो क्रेजी करेगा। नहीं पता, नहीं पता। वो फॉर्मूला लगेगा क्या? शेट, मैं अगर इसको करने बैठता तो मैं कभी कर ही नहीं पाता। फालतू टाइम बराबर। अच्छा हुआ मतलब देखते समझ गया था, लाइक दिस क्वेश्चन इज, आई एम नॉट फेमिलियर विद दिस क्वेश्चन। ओ भाई साहब, फॉर्मूला क्या है? फॉर्मूला बड़ा होता है क्या इसका? इसका फॉर्मूला कैसा होता है? देख फर्स्ट बात में उसका फॉर्मूला ऐड करने से 3 सेकेंड्स आएगा। फॉर्मूला है चेक क्या फॉर्मूला है ये? क्या भाई ये? भाई ये फॉर्मूला देख के मेरे को नींद आ गया भाई। एक क्या है? 1 into 2 मतलब क्या है? x2 है क्या ये क्या है फिर 1 है? L1 क्या होता है? L(x1 minus x1) मतलब है। इतना लाइट क्यों है भाई? हाँ। Eh, एक ट्राई करते हैं। मैंने कॉल था वो ऐसे सर। फॉर्मूला क्या है? shit. सारे वैल्यू डिस्ट्रक्चर करने हैं शायद अभी, ताकि सारे फॉर्मूला में सब्स्टिट्यूट करके निकालना है उसका value। ये ऊपर में क्यों गया पा रहा है? फॉरवर्ड कॉलम चाहिए नहीं, एक फॉर लूप से हो जाएगा। dx dy करके ले लेते हैं। माइनस का 8+1 में फर्स्ट वैल्यू, फॉर्मूला किधर गया ब्रो? Why? Hello bro, would you react on my song? Eh? Bro, this is Leetcode stream. No, I'm not a good judge. I'm not a good programmer, I'm not a good judge. I'm nothing. Literally zero. What the fuck did just blink right now? Did the timer blink right now? 7. Are we getting the right answer? Okay. Your personalized report clicking finish and click cancel. What question was this? Hard or easy? This was easy question. Hard, bro. Then why the hell did it take a lot of time to do this? I could not even come up with a solution. Never saw Shish by or fucking Davis. Chebyshev. That is Chebyshev distance. What popularity are you talking about? Like, I'm not popular, man. I'm not popular. I'm not going to be popular. Why the fuck 6 people are watching me? What's up, Bhavesh Bhai? I think you've been on my stream, right? I remember your name. I don't know, maybe someone different person. तुम्हारा नाम देखा देखा लग रहा है मेरे को विग्रह शेप डिस्टेंस के बिना किया है क्या तुमने? अच्छा कोई और बंदा था वो सॉरी ब्रो सॉरी ब्रो. भावेश भाई डिस्कॉर्ड में आओगे आप? डिस्कॉर्ड ज्वाइन कर लो यार. प्रो बंदों की कमी है वहाँ पे थोड़ा. अबे ये मेरे को गेमिंग वाला वो डिस्टेंस वाला फॉर्मूला लग रहा है मेरे को. 10 मेरे वैसे लग रहा है. तो ये यार शेप. शेबी शेबी के बिना कोई करा है। और जो फर्स्ट टाइम देख रहा है उसको कैसे पता होता है सब मतलब। नहीं होगा भाई। तुमने डाल दिया है क्या? यार तुम लोग सोते कब हो मतलब? 6 लोग कहाँ से आए? सब्सक्राइब। डेसेंट। डेसेंट कातिल। भाई साहब, भयंकर नाम है तुम्हारा भाई। हाँ मेरा सर्वर पे 100 बंदे हैं, 100 बंदे या पता नहीं कितना था, 120 है शायद। हाउ डू आई चेक माई टोटल नंबर? डिस्कॉर्ड में वो डेस्कटॉप में रहता तो दिख जाता, बट यहाँ पे दिख ही नहीं रहा। नंबर काउंट क्यों नहीं है भाई यहाँ पे? पैराडॉक्स फर्स्ट ज्वाइन किया था ऐसा प्लान। ओ भाई, 8 साल पहले इन लोग, 10 साल पहले। चलो, चेबी शेबी किधर गया वो? चेब चेस्पी क्या नाम था उसका? क्या लिख रहे हो? ओ नाइस ब्रो नाइस। बढ़िया नाम है, बढ़िया नाम। हाँ, कर दिया, एक्सेप्ट कर दिया भाई, कितना। नेक्स्ट जेएस डेवलपर? मतलब तुम नेक्स्ट जेएस डेवलपर हो गया? I have been watching you from past few days doing Leetcode. Bro, nah bro. I don't want to inspire, I expire people. How do I tag you? अरे भावेश भाई, तुम मतलब फुल स्टैक डेवलपर हो गया? यार अगर कहीं पे मतलब काम कर रहे हो तो फिर ओपनिंग है तो बता यार। वहाँ रोस्ट करने का तरीका अच्छा है। ये कौन है पता है तेरे को? यार यूट्यूब कॉपीराइट ना दे दे मेरे को साला। नहीं सर, तुम काम करते हो क्या मतलब? ओ अच्छा, तुम भी ढूंढ रहे हो, ओके ओके। तुम तो मेरा भाई हो भाई फिर तो। अभी आ, आर्यन भाई, अभी देखना ये क्वेश्चन निकालूंगा, देखो मेरा हालत खराब हो जाएगा अभी। पता है, ये क्या गया? यार पैलिंड्रोम क्यों आ रहा है? स्ट्रिंग किए बिना करना, अच्छा ये तो ट्विस्ट है भाई। ये तो बहुत बड़ा मतलब झूठ है भाई, कसम से मेरे को पता है। चूतिया जैसा साउंड करता यार। अरे हाँ भाई भावेश भाई, हमारा मतलब मेरा तो अलग ही लगे है भाई। 87 डेज से कर रहा हूँ, कुछ कुछ फायदा नहीं। इसने बोला मेरे को बिना कन्वर्ट किए करके दिखा करके। कन्वर्ट कर 2 मिनट का काम है, बट कन्वर्ट नहीं करने का तो बोल रहा है। मैं ग्लेज नहीं कर रहा हूँ, मतलब मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि उतना दिन मतलब किया है, बट इट्स नॉट यूजफुल फॉर मी राइट नाउ। आई फील लाइक आई डिडंट लर्न एनीथिंग। व्हाट द फक भाई, मेरा चैट को क्या हो गया? लगता है एसजी दूसरा अकाउंट से आके मेरे को चिढ़ा रहा है। एसजी भाई क्या कर रहे हो यार? अरे ये क्वेश्चन क्यों नहीं हो रहा अभी? ये क्वेश्चन तो होना चाहिए, इसी क्वेश्चन है ये तो। मेरे को इसको करना है, डिवाइड करेंगे तो फिर माइनस। एस जी तो ही है ना, एस जी सच बता तो ही है ना, मतलब दूसरे टैब में खोल के मेरे को चिढ़ा रहा है। व्हाट द फक क्या हो रहा है यहाँ? अरे मैं यार मैं स्ट्राइट बन रहा हूँ भाई, सॉरी यार। तुमको कोई और मिल जाएगा अच्छा लड़का। अबे ये लड़का भाई, मैं भी लड़का हूँ क्या तुम लोग बोल रहे हैं? व्हाट द फक भाई। माइनस का कैसे करूँगा ये सोच रहा हूँ मैं, क्योंकि इसको पैलिंड्रोम करना रिवर्स करने के लिए तो हो जाएगा। यार चैट थोड़ा अलग ही जा रहा है कहीं तो, पता नहीं यार। व्हाट द फक भाई क्या हो रहा है ये? मेरा चैट डार्क हो गया। शिट ब्रो, नेवर 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 ब्रो। मेरा फीड, लेट मी शो माय फीड। तुम्हारा हालत खराब हो जाएगा मेरा फीड देख के। इनसे सारा लड़का कहाँ था ये देखिए। रुक जाएगा, रिफ्रेश मारता हूँ। देख रहा है किसको सब्सक्राइब कर रहा हूँ? यहाँ देख, मेरा फीड देख रहा है, ये देख। ये देख। अब बता, अब बता मैं क्या हूँ? ये देख। देख रहा है भाई, देख रहा है, मेरा फीड देखा तूने? अभी तो बहुत बहुत कम मारे हैं, बट सुबह में भाई साहब अलग ही लेवल के आ रहे थे सब। ये देख, तू मेरे को कैसे बोल रहा था भाई, व्हाट द फक। मैंने तेरे को फुल प्रूफ दिखा दिया मतलब, और क्या ही दिखा सकते हैं। वाह भाई वाह। भाई को लगता है नींद नहीं आ रहा, तो मेरा मेरा दिमाग खराब करने लगा। कर लो भाई, कर लो, मजा आएगा, कर लो। करो तुम लोग जो करना करो यार। मैं चैट ही नहीं पढ़ रहा था आज। बिना स्ट्रिंग का करना है, रिवर्स विल बी। क्या फॉल्स क्यों आ रहा है? ऐसे ही तो होता है, नंबर जब तक बड़ा है तब तक करेगा। 10 का भी फॉल्स है। अरे ट्रू वाला में कुछ गड़बड़ है। यार रिवर्स का डिजिट स्टोर करने के लिए ऐसे ही होता है ना, रिवर्स इंटू 10 प्लस डिजिट करेंगे तो फिर लास्ट वाला डिजिट यहाँ पे आकर जाएगा। बट ये फॉल्स क्यों आ रहा है? आंसर भी नहीं आ रहा है ये। डिजिट इज x डिवाइडेड बाई 3 यार, और इट्स मॉड्यूलो करना है क्या? सही तो कर रखा है यार। Number greater than my zero, then the digit will be like x divided by 10. So easy question नहीं होगा। ओ फ्लोर। अरे हाँ, नंबर भी चेंज हो जाएगा, इसको स्टोर करना पड़ेगा। ओरिजिनल में एक्स है, सब मेरा रिवर्स ओरिजिनल की कोड रहेगा, लेकिन अभी काम करेगा। एक्स एक्स ग्रेटर देन जीरो रहेगा तो एक हो जाएगा, फिर डिजिट मेरा सिंगल डिजिट आएगा तो यहाँ पे आके स्टोर हो जाएगा इसमें। एंड रिवर्स विल बी लाइक रिवर्स इनटू 10, 10 प्लस डिजिट वही है जिसका आप फ्लोर करें। Yeah, let's go. ये ये मेरे को ऐड करना है क्या दोनों को, क्या है ये? तो नंबर कैसे करेगा मेरे को? चलो ये क्वेश्चन अपना के मैं जाकर सुनूंगा। अब बिना इसको डिजिट में कन्वर्ट किए कैसे स्टार्ट कर, पता नहीं। तो वो सड़ी के रेंज लौड़े। तेरा तेरा कोड वर्ड से मेरे को पता चल जाता है, वही चूतिया साला ये यूज करता है। तो मेरा टांग खींच रहा, मैं तुम्हारा स्ट्रीम में टांग खींच रहा था तो साले। बिना इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट किया कैसे आ सकता है? वही है भाई, वही है। वही है भाई, उसका पैटर्न मेरे को पता है। वही चूतिया साला ये वही करता है। वही बड़वा ये करता है ये वाला। मैं और किसी को तो करते देखा नहीं है, पता नहीं। मेरा मजा ले रहा था वो रात को। टांग खींच रहा मेरा। 12 बजे और सो गया था कि साला वो। सो जा भाई, सो जा, सो जा आर्यन, सो जा। तो इतना मैसेज क्या भेज रहा है, मैं खोल भी नहीं सकता यहाँ पे। साला एसजी खुद मजे ले रहा है दूसरा अकाउंट से, चूतिया बना रहा मेरे को। अरे इसको निपटाना है, ऐड स्ट्रिंग कर रहा है मैं। इसको ऐड कैसे कर दें, व्हाट द हेल। दो स्ट्रिंग को तो ऐड कैसे करेगा बिना इंटीजर में कन्वर्ट किए। क्या लॉजिक है यार ये। बोल रहा है यू मस्ट नॉट कन्वर्ट द इनपुट टू डायरेक्टली टू इंटीजर। तू ही है साले, तू ही है। तेरा ही काम है, तेरा ही काम है। इसको निपटा के मैं जाऊँगा अब, मजे करने पैसे। मेरे को लगता है कैरी वारी करना पड़ेगा, बट कैरी तो हो जाएगा। बट ये, और इसको बिना डिजिट में कन्वर्ट किया मैं कैसे ऐड करूँगा यार, पागल है भाई। साला स्ट्रिंग को बिना डिजिट में कन्वर्ट किया ऐड हो सकता है क्या? क्या टाइम हो रहा है? तू भी सो जा भाई, तू भी सो जा, सो जा, सो जा। इसी सो जा, सो जा। लेट हो गया। सबको गुड नाइट। जाओ सब सो जाओ। इसको निपटाना है यार, स्ट्रिंग को कैसे करते हैं एनीवे। व्हाट द फक। कौन से ऐसे चीज आ गए तो जिसमें मतलब नंबर कन्वर्ट किए बिना ही याद हो जाता है, क्या है ये मतलब, पता ही नहीं था। सीमा आ गया। ऐसा टेक्नोलॉजी कहाँ से आ गया, मतलब जिसमें मतलब कुछ स्ट्रिंग को बिना नंबर कन्वर्ट किए ऐड कर देगा। ये कब आ गया भाई? मेरा ये से भी ज़्यादा डर आ रहा है मेरे को। क्या बोल रहे हैं? हम्म, अबे इसका हिंट दो यार, मतलब बिना नंबर कन्वर्ट किए कैसे करोगे? इन स्ट्रिंग में कुछ भी ऐड कर लो, एक स्ट्रिंग जैसे ही काम कर, which is not going to give my output. इसने बता भी दिया you can't use inbuilt functions like converting them to an integer or something. ये कैसे हो ठीक है. जल्दी कर भाई जल्दी कर, सोने का तो. साला ये इतना मैसेज देता है डिस्कॉर्ड में. चैन मेरे चैन तेरे. Okay, bye boy. Luffy, Zoro boy. Where is my Robin Chan? Robin Chan. ये देखा. इसको बोलते हैं सच्चा प्यार. मैं जो दिल की तरह दिल में. दिस इज ट्रू लव. गई. ट्रू लव विल नेवर. चलो चलते हैं फिर. टेक केयर गाइस. बाय बाय. अमलू. अमा अमल अमल नाउ. ओनली लड़की ब्रो. ओनली लड़की. ओनली लाइक लड़की. तूने इंडियाज गॉट लेटेंट देखा है क्या वो? डोनाल्ड ट्रम्प उसे ऐसा आवाज कर सकते है तू? मैं ट्राई करता हूँ कल. जल्दी भेज भाई. जाके सोने का है मेरे को. सोना सोना कितना सोना. ऐसा एनिमेशन आता है क्या? वाह. ये सब क्यों नहीं आता? हम लोग का ले आया. shit bro. You have to watch this bro. Like तूने देखा है बहुत सारी चीज़. दिमाग खराब कर रहा है मेरा. तूने खुद बोला था उस दिन इंडिया गॉट लेटेंट करके ग्रुप में साले. ठीक है जाता हूँ. बाय बाय. साइनिंग ऑफ. एंडिंग भाई. कुछ अच्छा सा मतलब कुछ अच्छा सा निकालना पड़ेगा. ये क्या है यार ये? अट्टा कैसा है? क्या एंडिंग सीखने की चूतिया कैसा लग रहा है? टन 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 टन.